Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: negative array size exception in Java program. So first of all, let us have a small revision. What is exception? So exception means runtime error. What is runtime error? Error which occurs during execution time of a program. So when we run the program, any error occurs, it is called as exception. Okay, right. So basically we get runtime error when we give incorrect input to our program. So during execution time, if you give any incorrect input in our program, then we get runtime exception. And when exception occurs, program execution stops then and there itself. So remaining statements of the programs are not executed, and technically it is called as abnormal termination of the program, or in general words it is called as breakdown of program. Okay, so to avoid breakdown of program or abnormal termination of program, we have exception handling mechanism. So what is this exception handling mechanism? So exception handling mechanism is the process of detecting and providing a solution for exception, and it is done using try block. In try block we detect the exception in a program. Throw keyword, it is also used inside a try block. We accept the exception and transfer it to catch block, and in catch block we provide proper solution to the exception. So when we provide proper solution to the exception, there is no abnormal termination of the program. So program execution happens normally, no abnormal termination. So now coming to negative array size exception. So every exception is an object in Java program, and this object is created by JVM or developer when exception occurs in a program. So these exception objects belongs to some classes in Java. So there are some predefined exception classes. Okay, like we have throwable class at the top of the exception hierarchy, and then followed by exception subclass. Okay, so these two are super classes for all the exceptions, whether it is predefined exception or user defined exception. And coming to the exception, under this we have checked exceptions, unchecked exceptions. So checked exceptions are compiler known exceptions. Try catch is compulsory, otherwise we'll get a compilation error. Unchecked exceptions are compiler unknown exception. Try catch is optional, but when exception occurs, it leads to abnormal termination of a program. Hence, developer or the programmer has to detect the unchecked exceptions and provide try catch in our program. Now coming to the negative array size exception. So negative array size exception is a predefined exception and it is a unchecked exception. So we as a developer will detect and then put try catch for negative array size exception in a program. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Negative array size exception example 1. Right. So first let us take a comment, new page, program to demo, negative array size exception. So let us take directly the main class with main method. Negative array size exception example 1. So the main method, public static void main string of args. Right. So negative array size exception example 1 dot java. Save this program in our working directory. So save this program. Right. So now let us take an array in our program. Okay, right. So let us say that we'll take a integer array. Okay, integer array a. So a is equals to new int of, we have to give the size here. Okay, right. So this size I'm going to accept as input from keyboard. So at the beginning of the main method, we'll create an object of scanner class sc new scanner system.in, and then we'll take one variable here int size, and then size is equals to sc dot next int. So it will accept one integer from keyboard and stores that in size variable. Right. So since we are using the scanner class, let us import, okay, scanner class from util package. Import java.util.scanner. Right. So next, once we get size, okay, so let us print the size of the array. So system.out.println, so size of array, okay, is plus size, okay, or something like a dot length. A dot length will give the size of the array. So length is a property which is available in array class. So every array is a class according to Java program. Okay, and finally we'll also print something like end of the program in the last. Right. So here we'll give system.out.println enter array size. Right. So let us save this program. Right. Open the command prompt, go to your working directory, compile the program. Negative array size exception example1.java. So no compilation error. So negative array size exception is a unchecked exception. So try catch is not compulsory. We did not put it, so that's why we did not get any compilation error, because it is a unchecked exception. Now when we run and give improper input, okay, so let us run this program. First we'll give proper input, size of array 5. So size of array is 5. End of the program, normal execution. Now give -5. So we got negative array size exception. Array size is -5. We got this in line 15 of main method. Negative array size exception 1 class, negative array size exception 1 dot Java program. Okay, at line 15. So let us go to line 15. In line 15 we'll put try, okay, and then followed by catch, and here we'll give negative array size exception NASE object reference variable, and then we'll give the message as system.out.println array size cannot be negative. Okay, array size cannot be negative, end of the program. So now we are giving proper solution for this. So we'll get negative array size exception here. So since it is a predefined exception, it is automatically thrown from try block. Okay, so it is a predefined exception automatically thrown by JVM. Right, negative array size exception. So now let us compile and run this. We should get normal execution of the program. So since we have done changes to the program, recompile and run. So -5 Now we got catch block, array size cannot be negative, end of the program. So previously we got abnormal termination. Now this is a normal execution of the program with proper solution using catch block exception handling mechanism. So this is how we are supposed to work with negative array size exception with try and catch block in a Java program. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.